Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful, fully functional blog page in WordPress using Elementor. And yes, this guide is updated for 2025. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a professional blog page that automatically displays your latest posts in a layout you control and looks fantastic on any device. Most importantly, you won't need to touch a single line of code. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create a blank blog page in WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, which is where you manage everything on your site. On the left menu, click on Pages, then choose Add New. Give your page a simple, clear name like blog or maybe articles, whatever makes sense for your website. Now, here's an important tip. You don't need to add any content directly on this page right now. Elementor is going to handle all the magic of displaying your posts and the site's design later, so you can leave the page blank for now. Once you're done, go ahead and hit Publish to make this page live. Don't worry, it won't show empty to your visitors, it's just a placeholder for now. The second step is to tell WordPress that this new page should act as your blog archive, basically the homepage for all your blog posts. To do this, from your dashboard, go to Settings and then Reading. Here you'll see an option that says Your Homepage Displays. Select a static page if it's not already picked. This lets you choose separate pages for your homepage in your blog. For the Posts page drop-down menu, pick the blog page you just created. This is what connects your real blog posts to that page. Be sure to click Save Changes before you leave this screen. This step is crucial because it's what makes WordPress automatically show your latest posts on this blog page instead of just leaving it blank. You've set the stage for Elementor to take over, and your posts will be ready for their big debut. Now comes the fun part, designing your blog page with Elementor. Go back to your pages list in the dashboard, find your blog page, and click Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor visual editor, which is like a digital canvas. You can start totally from scratch by adding a new container, or if you want a head start, pick one of Elementor's templates. The great thing about Elementor is it makes everything drag and drop, so you can focus on how things look and feel instead of getting bogged down with code. Next, let's actually display your blog posts. Search for a widget called Posts or sometimes Loop Grid in the Elementor sidebar. It might show up under Pro widgets if you have Elementor Pro, but there are free alternatives as well. Drag that widget into your page where you want your blog posts to appear. If you're using Elementor Pro or you've added an Archive Posts add-on, you'll get a lot of customization options here. You can pick between grid or list layouts, select how many columns to use, what size your featured images should be, whether to show author info, categories, and more. It's like being able to design your own magazine or news site, add pagination, set how many posts show per page, even filter which categories display. If you're on the free version of Elementor, you might need to install a free plugin like Unlimited Elements or Post Grid to get the same kind of posts widget. No worries if this part feels tricky. There's also the option to use the built-in WordPress display posts shortcode inside a shortcode widget. It's basic but does the job, especially when you're starting out. Once your posts are visible, use the settings in the left panel to refine your layout. Try switching between card and classic skins to see which style fits your brand. Adjust the number of posts per page, the columns, tweak typography, colors, spacing, make it yours. If you want to highlight certain topics, you can filter posts by category or tag. Take your time with this. Designing a blog page is a chance to express your site's personality and keep your readers engaged. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish in Elementor. Just like that, you've got a custom blog page that keeps itself updated whenever you write a new post. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any bumps or have questions about getting your blog page set up. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tips. I've got plenty of guides coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.